Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So I don't know what to say. As you can see, this is the day before the move-in. So last time I posted a status update for our renovation, we were 6 days to move in. So we are blessed that we have clients book our space before we are even done with the renovation and the furnishing. But this happened to be so fast. We had 30 days for this renovation, and we ended up having to deliver this place in less than 30 days. So today is 5 days after the last update, and one day before the moving day of our clients, and the place is looking like this. As you can see, my husband is just installing the one of the shower doors. The floors are not in place yet. Not all the floors are down. Not all the floors are done. I could not even take videos because I was so confused about if we were going to be able to deliver this space to our clients. Because mind you, they needed this space 1 week before and we could not accommodate that date. They were so kind to stay at the hotel for another week to wait for us to complete this space. So when I came in the Friday before the moving on Saturday and I saw the house in this state, I was panicked. I don't know if it shows that I was panicked, but I was panicked. I didn't know if it was going to be possible. And my husband actually asked me to tell them to postpone the date. I was like, no, 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 no. We already pushed. We have to stay true to our commitment. We said it was going to be ready, and we have to do our best to make them stay in this space. I was really not, I didn't want to consider as an option that this place will not be ready Saturday. And mind you, today is Friday as I'm recording this. Like, I could not even record this video. Like, you see, my videos are all over the place because of the stress of seeing the space as it was on Friday morning, and we had so much more to do. Like, you can see the big things like the floors not done, the painting was not done as well. The wall don't show it as well, but this bedroom wasn't painted. The living room was still to be painted, and because we already started painting, the difference could show. There was a lot of things, a lot of little details like that. The fireplace needed to be installed, and this is later in the afternoon. I actually had to run and get some help from Home Depot. Some of these people who wait at Home Depot for handyman work, and they came. We had two people come in and help with the painting. That's why you can see the painting is done now. And we actually had someone to help to my husband install the floor, but he wasn't good at that, and he was actually slowing down the work. So my husband just had to pick it up and do it on his own. That's one of the guy who came in to do the painting. So at least they helped with that, because remember, painting was supposed to be my job, and I had not been able to make it on site until that Friday. So it was very chaotic. It was very stressful to see the house in this state one day before people had to come in. But we are just hopeful. So I could not even give you a proper update because I was just so focused about getting this place delivered. It was just the grace of God. And we had some family in town, and they were so kind. They were there to help. They came in and gave us a hand, and we were able to pull these jobs. Like, just reminiscing about that, I'm so stressed about the whole situation, about how it went. But this is just such a learning experience because we were able to deliver in time, and that's, to me, is still mind-blowing. I don't know how we did that. All I can say is that God always makes a way. So by the time my brother, his wife, my very good friend stopped by to help, it was almost 5 p.m. and we had our guests coming after 6 p.m. My son too wasn't around. He came by to give a hand. My husband was doubling down on finishing the floor while we were trying to stage the house on our end. with the family helping. It was just so hectic. It was just all over the place, but we got it done. We, by God's grace, we got it done, and the house ended up looking like this. Like, I can't even begin to explain. Some things were not done, like the TV was not put up, and I couldn't put the paint, like any type of art on the wall, but I figured that that could be done afterwards. So we got the house to be livable and really, even in a very good place. Actually, it was staged, it looked good. So this is around what, almost 6 p.m., and thank God our guests came even late. They came after 8 p.m. and we were still there, just organizing, cleaning the place, and doing every little thing we could do before they made it there. So by the time they came, they were super happy. I mean, they were just great guests. They are great guests too. So we're so thankful for that. And we had to explain that, okay, a few things are not done, like the art is not on the wall. We have some finishing touches that we have to do, and they're gracious to accept for us to come back and just put like the TV up on the wall, and just some art on the wall, and just a few finishing touches like that. So we got it done. And like, I can't even begin to explain it. We got it done. We got it done, and we got guests. They're gonna be here for a number of months, so that's why I didn't want to miss out on this opportunity, because they're gonna be with us for a few months. So we had to double down on that and make sure the space will be occupied without us having to pay out of pocket, right, for another month of mortgage. And that was the goal we had in mind when we started the renovation, when we started with a 30-day plan in mind. So in the next update, I'll give you the full recap of this renovation and the before and after, and the little projects that we did in the process as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.